Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how on your mobile phone, how to share listings inside the MLS Touch app. So you can see the MLS Touch app right there on my screen, top right corner of that app booklet there on my iPhone. So first off, open up the MLS Touch app. Okay, now if you're not already logged in, it's going to ask you to log in, go through that, get logged in. Okay, so there's a house that just popped up, and you want to share this house on your social media. All you've got to do is type in that house's MLS number. So for example, I'm going to use MLS number 1059744. 1059744. It's a home that my buddy has listed. I'm going to share it on my social. So I'm going to click search. And there's the home right there. So I clicked on it. Let me go back real quick. So there's the home right there. You just click on the picture. Click on the picture and it'll pop up. Okay, when it pops up, I want you to click on the image. Take a screenshot. When it goes down there in the bottom left corner, click on that and then crop it. Now only do this to listings that you have permission to, because right now you're literally stealing the picture. So only do this to listings that you have permission to do this to. Click done. Okay, save it to photos. All right, get out of there. Now I want you to, all you got to do is click share. See right there in the middle, share. Click share. Now share by SMS. See where it says send this by SMS? That's what you want, because you want the link to the property. So click share by SMS. Skip the contacts if you don't have any contacts in there, because you just want this link right here. That's the link you want. Okay, so highlight it. All I did was double click on that link to highlight the whole link, and I clicked copy. Okay, then I'm going to open up my social media app that I want to share it on. So let's say I want to share it on Twitter. Okay, so open up Twitter and click new tweet, and then make your little tweet. Add some fire, or add some emojis. Where was my fire emoji? Fire. Okay. And be like, have you seen this home? Or, oh wow. This could be the one. What do you think about this home? Call me to schedule your showing. And then, of course, put your name and brokerage. Josh Barnett with EXP Realty. Now that you typed all that, go ahead and select it all. Okay, go ahead and select it all. Okay, copy it, because you're going to use it on other platforms. And don't forget to add that picture that we just cropped. And remember, only do this with homes that you have permission to do this to. You do not want to do this on someone's listing that you don't have permission to share their listing on. And then tweet it. Okay? And then there's your beautiful tweet right there. Okay? And then let's say you're on LinkedIn. Be sure you do the same thing on LinkedIn. So open up your LinkedIn. Paste the text that you had. So click post. Paste the text that you had. Add the picture. Don't forget to add the picture. Okay? Add the picture. Put it, you know what, before we do this, add an arrow on there. So add an arrow right there, and put an arrow back here too. So arrow left, yeah, left arrow, and then post. I should have copied that. That way I don't have to add the arrows again. Darn it. And then, of course, do it on all your social media platforms, guys. So do it if you're a True Social person, put it on True Social. Facebook, put it on Facebook. Okay, put it on all of your socials so that you can reach potential customers who may be interested in it. And this is all from the MLS app, guys. You can do this all from the MLS app. So don't forget to add the picture. And there you go. All right, that's how you share through the MLS app listings of other agents that said you could share their listings, but you get them in your contact database, because when they click on that, the MLS app knows to get them to you when they look at X amount of homes or something. So, and it's all with your branding. So like if someone were to click on that, it takes them to this sheet that has all my branding on it right there. See how that works? All right, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. If you're at a position where you want to double your income or have the most advanced technology possible, or want to talk more about revenue share and a potential way to retire and not sell houses till you die, of course, call, text, or email me, guys. I'm always here to chat with you about opportunities in real estate. See you on the next one. Subscribe to the channel. And thanks so much for watching today's video.